Friends, good morning. Listen carefully. Activities in construction is not hazard. Within that activity, there might be hazard. That is our responsibility, our obligation, our competence to identify hazards related to the construction activity. Activity cannot be listed as hazard. Hazard is totally different. You can find so many hazards in one activity. So activity is not hazard. Example, excavation. This is activity. This is not hazard. You can find, you can list down, you can identify the hazards within that activity. When your organization or your team is doing excavation, you can identify hazards related to excavation. The question is how to identify, how to label hazard. Now, the old syllabus of NIBOS teaches us how to identify the hazard. You need to use a descriptive word. A descriptive word such as lack of training, non-provision of competent supervisor, non-provision of approved underground utility drawing, non